ખબર ગુજરાતના ડિજિટલ પ્લેટફોર્મ પર આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. અત્યારે જ્યારે આપણે ઇન્ટરનેશનલ વુમેન્સ ડેને સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ છીએ અને એ નિમિત્તે જામનગરની બધી જે ફિમેલ્સ છે, જે નારીઓ છે, એને આપણે બધાને બિરદાવીએ છીએ. અત્રે આપણી સાથે ક્રિશ્મા દત્તાની કે જે એવીડી કન્સલ્ટન્ટ્સમાં આર્કિટેક્ટનો રોલ ભજવી રહ્યા છે, એ આપણી સાથે અહીંયા પ્રેઝન્ટ છે અને એમની સાથે આપણે એમની વાતો કરવા અહીંયા ભેગા થયા છીએ. હાય ક્રિશ્મા, કેમ છો તમે?
Hi, I'm good.
So, architecture is a field that is not a very female dominant field. હું એવું નહીં કહું કે મેલ ડોમિનન્ટ છે, પણ ઓફકોર્સ થોડું ડિફિકલ્ટ છે, થોડું ચેલેન્જિંગ છે ફોર ફિમેલ્સ. તો what made you choose architecture as a field? કે I'm sure this would have been your goal or passion in life. But why architecture is my question.
So, my father is a civil engineer. I've brought up myself looking at him designing houses, buildings, and then interiors. And I have 4-5 of my brothers in the same field. My elder brother, my younger brother. So it's been kind of a passion and not the career for me. I have been always wanting to design buildings because that's what I've seen while growing up, while joining my father on his site visits, while designing, it's always been like a passion to me. So yeah, though it is kind of a male dominated thing, but it's more like a passion to me. And I've grown up, so it's like I've inculcated those designing skills in me. Yeah, so I like it.
And જેમ તમે કીધું કે થોડું મેલ ડોમિનન્ટ છે એ ફિલ્ડ, તો એઝ અ ફિમેલ તમારી ડે ટુ ડે સ્ટ્રગલ્સ કે યોર સ્ટ્રગલ્સ ફોર અત્યાર સુધી તમે આ જે સ્ટેજ પર પહોંચ્યા છો ત્યાં સુધીમાં what do you think have been your biggest struggles અને એને તમે કેવી રીતે ઓવરકમ કરી શક્યા છો?
So it's been 8 years that I've been working with this field now, and starting થી લઈને અત્યાર સુધીનું કહું તો initially it was like કોઈકને આપણી વાત મનાવી, being a lady, and this is a field where you have to work with a lot of workers all the time. So workers are all, they are habituated to male head, boss or whatever you call. So પહેલા તો એમને આપણી વાત કન્વે કરવી, for them to understand કે ઓકે આપણે એક લેડીની વાત માનવાની છે, ત્યાંથી લઈને આજ સુધી where I have to just command and it comes up. So it's been a lot of struggle, but we are in a country where these things are still a question. Like આર્કિટેક્ચર કેમ મેલ ડોમિનન્ટ છે, કે વર્કર્સ માટે કેમ ડિફિકલ્ટ છે કે કોઈ એક લેડીનું બી સાંભળવાનું છે, but then we are evolving. Like this small city of ours is coming up so nicely, and now that it has been 8 years, it's all like, they are very used to me, I am very used to them. So it's been a challenge, but then you always evolve, and even they evolve working with you.
So I think, like you said, initially though difficult time,
Yes,
but then
yes.
when people see the value of
Yeah,
the person, irrespective of the gender,
yeah.
so I think धीरे धीरे થઈ જાય છે.
Correct. And it's more of what you want to design and not the gender that you are.
Correct. So we are, like you said, આખું ભારત, ખાલી જામનગર નહીં. જામનગર તો of course we are a smaller town and we are growing with bigger values ધીરે ધીરે, but the entire country is in this transition phase. I feel કે ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ તરીકે જોતા આપણે શીખીએ છીએ અને જેન્ડર તરીકે નહીં, એમની જે ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ ક્વોલિટીઝ છે એને આપણે અપ્રિશિએટ કરીએ છીએ, which is why this interview. And what do you think all in your journey so far 8 વર્ષોમાં in the society that you're working with, the kind of people that you're working, struggles તો આપણે સમજ્યા, but with those struggles, what have been your biggest blessings or plus points, or what helped you reach this far?
So as you said earlier, it's AVD Consultants. It's my father's firm where I have joined since 8 years. So the first biggest blessing is to have a background. So I was blessed with that background. Another thing is that I have been born and brought up in the same city where I have my parents here, my in-laws here, and family is always the biggest blessing because being a woman, આપણી પાસે જવાબદારીઓ થોડીક વધારે છે because આપણા પાસે હાઉસહોલ્ડ બી છે, આપણા પાસે ઓફિસ બી છે because we want to work. And now that I'm a mother, I have a child જેની જવાબદારી સૌથી મોટી છે કે આપણે કામે જવું છે તો પાછળથી બચ્ચાનું શું થશે, બચ્ચું ક્યાં રહેશે, કેટલી વાર આપણે સાથે લઈ જઈ શકશું. There are site visits where I cannot take my child along. So family is the biggest blessing. My mother is the biggest blessing because કંઈ પણ કરતા પહેલા I know that my mom is there, she'll take care of my child, my family is there, they will take care of my child. કદાચ હું એનું જમવાનું નથી બનાવી શકી, there have been times કે મારી site visits long હોય, so I don't have to worry because family is always there. અને ઘર સાથે કામ સાથે baby, that's the biggest challenge, but the blessing is that I have both my families here. And I know women માટે it has always been difficult. પહેલા ઘર અને ઓફિસ, but when you have a child it's always more difficult. For the women who are out there without family support, I can understand their guilt because even though I have my family here, I have a lot of guilt inside me that I should not miss out on my baby's childhood also. એટલે balance કરવું is a big challenge, but you have to gather all your courage to get going. And then 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, આપણે એવું બી ના થવું જોઈએ કે we gave up on our dreams. And whatever it is that you go up with your guilt, you have courage to get up every morning, gather all your strength and go back to work.
So what gives you that strength? मतलब it's very challenging being a female now, being a mother, but with the support, એ બધા છતાંય your inner strength, where is it coming from? What is that one છે કીધું સવારે ઉઠીને તમને કઈ વસ્તુ છે જે courage આપે છે to just keep doing what you're doing?
I think it's my mom again because I think she's given me that values કે કંઈ પણ થાય આપણા dreams ના છૂટવા જોઈએ, Maybe because she's inculcated that those values in me since childhood ke એને ગમશે if I'm independent, એને ગમશે કે so I've grown up with that thing in mindset, that's my mindset actually કે independent તો રહેવું છે. I have a wonderful husband જેને મને બહુ જ સપોર્ટ કર્યો છે to boost those values of mine, those things in my mind were always questioned, but he was the one who said no, you can do it,
So yeah, I feel women need other women to support them. એ તો છે જ, નારીને બીજી નારીની શક્તિ હોય તો બે નારીની શક્તિ ભેગી થાય તો બંને આગળ વધી શકે છે. But without their important men and their love and their selfless confidence in you, મને એવું લાગે છે કે એ બહુ જરૂરી છે. Whether it is your father, your husband, your brother, કોઈ પણ એમના unconditional support વગરને એમના when they push ને I think it makes a lot of difference. Their confidence adds to your confidence.
And that's how when I delivered my child, I was not working for around 6 months, but my father and my brother never made me realize, or my clients realized that I am on a break. And there have been nothing missing out, and that was because my father and my brother covered me up so well.
Right.
Yeah, so as you said, it's always the men also behind
the bars. They are behind the bars, but they support. Okay, Krishma, I think we have an overview of your journey, your work struggles, architecture being a rough field, એવું કહી શકાય કે you have to be on field, rough છે. પણ જામનગરમાં હવે ફિમેલ વર્કિંગનું કલ્ચર બી ધીરે ધીરે આવી રહ્યું છે. આઈ એમ શ્યોર અ લોટ ઓફ girls, females, ladies are watching us along with the men. So any messages that you want to give, એમને કોઈ તમારે મેસેજ આપવો હોય એઝ અ સોસાયટી? હું એવું નથી કહેતી કે ખાલી ફિમેલ્સ માટે મેસેજ, બીકોઝ ઇટ્સ અ વિમેન્સ ડે ઇન્ટરવ્યુ, બટ એની જનરલ મેસેજ ટુ ધ સોસાયટી.
So for the women, if you want to work, if you don't want to work, if you decide to leave work, it's all okay, you're doing your best. If you leave for your child, it's okay. If you leave your child and work, is also okay, because I, being in both the situations, now I realize that I think everybody gives their best. Even if you work, you have that guilt of not being in the house. તમે કામ નથી કરતા તો you have the guilt કે મેં મારું મૂકી દીધું છે. So I would suggest કે try balancing out, gather all your courage. It's difficult. Initially it is always going to be difficult, but if you just keep on doing it, I think things fall in place, everything works out, and even your families and all are the biggest blessing if you can take their help if you want to work. But it's completely okay and completely your choice without having that guilt. Just be who you are. And to all the men out there, I think these days men are changing. They've started to help in the household. They've started to help in taking care of the child. And we are evolving together. And thank you for all your support that you have been giving us.
Thank you so much, Krishna. બહુ જ મજા આવી. I think in a very short span of time, એટલું તો રિયલાઇઝ થઈ ગયું છે કે everything is fine. I think there was a time કે જ્યારે હમણાં ઇનિશિયલી થોડા ટાઈમ પહેલા કે women working were valued more. But I think we have evolved and come to a stage wherein working women appreciate homemakers more.
Correct.
मतलब અમે or females who are business હોય કે job હોય, women have started appreciating and valuing all sorts of women doing anything.
Correct.
ઘરનું કામ કરો છો
And
તો એ બી એટલું જ
without
important છે.
homemakers help also, I
Correct.
think.
કે તમે જ્યારે
It's
બહાર
the
છો
most
તો ઘરે
undervalued job.
Correct.
We've
So,
seen our mothers all these years.
correct.
So they have been giving their 100%, but why only
With
women who
the-
are working are valued?
So let's value individuals.
Yeah.
Let's learn that કે women ઘરની બારે કે ઘરની અંદર men ઘરનું કામ કરે છે કે બહારનું કરે છે. Let's value them and respect them for whatever they are, and let's be grateful for whatever we have.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, Krishna. બહુ જ મજા આવી, and ખબર ગુજરાત સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો. Wishing you all a very happy International Women's Day.
Thank you.